the fleas and the ticks and everything off him.
The pitcher plant works is the insects are going to sit on the ledge there and slip in. It's got a bit of a sharp ledge to it.
California are one of the oldest growing fish in the ocean. Look at this thing. Would you ever think that you'd catch this? Ah.
Not just for defense, but also to regulate body temperature. Look how mad he gets. This is awesome. They're not very big animals, but when he throws his head out like that and gets on his back legs, he looks a lot bigger and a lot more intimidating than a normal.
That can grow to 3.5 up to 5 meters high. Evergreen plant, easy to establish, with low water demands.
Cacti are gaining
company more highly. Not only did they have the frogs that they produce in-house, but they have knowledgeable staff that can help you with your questions.
And I wanted to show you my new pet, and hopefully it'll come out of its hole. Oh, here it comes. This is my new pet bagworm. I don't know if it's going to be a male or
So baby Storm was actually born all the
Swallowtail caterpillar design. It's adorable.